closer.
I chose not to work out this week because this is a workout.
It's a lot of hard work, but it's gonna be worth it.
Today has been a doozy of a day.
No.
With all the trailers loaded up, the vans loaded up, the trucks loaded up. Today we had the 18-wheeler loaded up with all the bricks and the packaging machine. Today we had the convoy of everybody coming up here. We've been making there and back trips.
I think everyone's a little exhausted and really hungry. It's super hot. It's like supposed to be the hottest week in Arkansas, and like
The building's not done yet, but all of our stuff is in the building.
it's crazy how much stuff we moved, but that it does not fill up this building yet.
Building's coming together, getting everything unloaded, so yeah, ready to get everything, you know, making bricks.
Yeah, I think it's just the beginning, actually. We have a lot of organizing.
And it's hot, it's humid, but it's still real good.